Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I have gathered some unique molds and I'm going to make Christmas decorations out of them, and I'm using only one glitter. So before adding the glitter, I'm going to pour this resin, and this resin contains some gold foil. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm using this for the edges. And after that, I'm going to use the glitter that I am talking about so much. I bought that glitter accidentally from Temu just to try it out, and I am in love with that. The glitter is sadly out of stock whenever I try to buy it again, but I will link in my description. So the resin that I've taken here is a deep pour resin, and this mold is by Into Resin. So there is going to be a mix and match of molds today that I have gathered for you. So I think this is enough for the edges and for my center. Now I'm going to mix the glitter into the resin. I was thinking of before adding a clear resin into the center, but then I don't know what I was thinking, because actually I wanted to add the glitter. So I'm taking this into another cup, a little quantity, and then I'm going to mix the glitter here. And after mixing, I'm going to add this into the center. Here we go. So here you can see this is how it is looking like, and I'm going to use this same glitter throughout all of my creations. And then I'm going to now pour this into the center. And now this mold has came all the way from Ukraine from a lovely seller. So I will try my best to find this seller and link in my description. I really love the design of this reindeer, stag, whatever you like to call it. It is so decent, and it has some drizzy inside as well. So now again I'm pouring the glitter resin, and then I'm going to add some clear resin. So this is going to be a mix and match. Because the legs are a bit thin, so I'm using a toothpick just to move the resin. That's what I'm doing here. So now the outer side of the snowflake was looking to me a bit simple, so I thought I'm going to add some more glitter onto the outer sides. So that what I will be doing here to this snowflake. This snowflake is such a lovely mold by Into Resin. I always love making this. It has a crystal finish. And there is a 25% off discount for this festive season if you like to treat yourself. I will link this in my description. So if you have any eyes on the mold, I think now is the time to order. Now these molds are from Art Blanc, so I will link them also in my description. I have few of their molds. They come a lot far from England, but they are amazing. So I'm making a bottle here and then a house. So again I have mixed my resin, adding the same glitter, and I'm going to fill this, and then I'm going to add the clear resin. So now I've added some gold foil into the resin, and then after adding this glitter, now I'm going to add some gold foil mixed glitter into the bottle just to give some little different effect. And now onto the house. I'm doing the same here. I added the glitter resin first, and then this is the one that I have gold foil inside. So I'm mixing these two together. And then I'm going to do a little bit of tapping so that it reaches all the nooks and crannies in this house. So these two are done now, and now onto this third one. This is a self-made mold that I made myself, and I will link with the video above here. So I arranged the crystals and then I made the mold. So now I'm going to make a Christmas ornament out of this. Again, I'm using my favorite glitter here. And here I'm going to pour it. So below I'm going to use on the top base, actually I'm going to use the glitter, and then I'm going to fill that up with the gold foil mixed resin. So that's what I'll be doing with this mold. And here we go. This is a smaller crystal cluster mold, and I'm going to do the same with that I did with the bigger one. I'm going to use the glitter one first, then I'm going to fill that up with the gold foil resin. And then what I did with the snowflake, I am doing with this again. Now I mixed the glitter too much into the resin, and I'm doing on the back. So this is going to be a bit different. In some of my ornaments, the glitter is very light along with the gold foil, and in some of them, I'm going very heavy with the glitter. And then I'm going to add some clear resin. So this is just an idea that with few items, you can create a lot of different designs, different ways, just using glitter, clear resin, and just a little bit of gold foil. And now this is the last one. I made this one also myself from an amethyst drizzy crystal, and here I'm doing the same. Here I'm using the leftover resin now, the glitter mixed resin that I used in the top one, and after that I'm going to pour the clear resin. And after that clear resin, I'm going to leave them all to cure, and I will see you next day. So this is the next day. It's time to demold. I'm so excited to see how they turned out. So this is the first one, and here we go, glitter and then the crystal mold. I think this is a match made in heaven. So much glitter and shine. It's time to demold some more now. So here I'm going to demold this bottle. And this is how it's looking like, and that's, I hope you can understand how lovely the glitter is. So let me put the ones that I demolded to the side, and now I'm just selecting the one, which one to demold first, and now it's time to demold the stag. So excited to see how this one turns out. So the antlers on this one is a bit delicate, so very carefully I need to remove them out of the mold. Don't want to break anything here. So here we go. Such a beautiful one. You can see the drizzy that I was talking about, and then beautiful. Now it's time to demold the snowflake. And here we go. Such a beautiful finish. The mold itself is so beautiful, and you can see how sparkly this is. And this is the lovely cute house. And it is out of the mold safely. This is how it's looking like. Now to remove the crystals. So this is how they are looking like. So almost they are all out of the mold. And here I just put ribbons on top of them, just like that. And then I will be doing this to all of them. And for my crystal cluster molds, I made them into a design. So I will show you the final look, how they all look like. So this is the final look. I put ribbon on all of them. And for the crystal clusters, I combined them to make one decor item, the one that had 2 crystals in them. So this is what I'm talking about, that I have combined both of them to turn into one. So you can use simple separate as well, but I just combined them to make a longer decor item. So this is the house, this is the beautiful glitter, and I really love how each one of them is really amazing. This is the snowflake. So this project was really fun to do because I selected all the different unique molds from my mold stash and then made these ornaments. So each mold is all actually one of a kind. So that's it for today, and I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.